I think really there's a big gap in younger families.
Yes.
Young people starting family, have children or a child. There's so much difficulties, a lot of challenges. There's not enough support. Not enough support. We can't even, the moms can't even take a month off, work. And then, of course, forget about the father. They can't take any weeks off. And then on top of that, there's so much, pressure, from all sides. And so I think there has to be some change there in terms of young. I'm not talking about family values then. I'm just kidding. But what I'm talking about is I think we really need some kind of, some kind of good support system or care training. I don't like to use that word training because it sounds weird, but some kind of training for young family when they're starting, how to take care of your child. Very important. You think it's easy, but it's not easy. If you're a first-time parent, you have no clue, what to do when they have a big booger in their nose. You freak out. And so there's so many things, like simple things like that, and I think they need some support, like, some training, emergency training, kindness, loving, how, like both parents are stressed out totally, in our today's situation. So they are totally, full of emotions, a lot of fear, anxiety, about money, about, all these things. And so we need some kind of support system there to train them, so that they can feel relaxed. Oh, it's easy, okay, you can do it, it's easy. You do this, you do that, I'm taking care.
Sounds like some ER training could help.
Not necessarily ER, but some new family kind of, information.
Yeah, information, basic.
Yeah, I went to one emergency training for parents, for child.
Yes.
It was very helpful. I learned that 911. 911 was created in Seattle.
Wow.
It was first started in Seattle, and it went across the state, and then now it's all over the world. They have similar systems. And this is still actually, Seattle has the best 911 response time within the city limit. Like, they say like within 8 to 9 minutes you have someone there. Yeah.
So caring really on a community level to
I just moved to Seattle.
Systems. Okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
It rains a lot.
Community level, and have some training, and have some parental support. We all talk about how can we teach our kids. You can't teach your kids, without teaching the parents. Like disciplining kid, or making the kid more kinder or compassionate. We have a lot of ideas, mindfulness, meditation. How can I teach meditation to my child? How can I get blah blah blah? But I think it has to start with parents.
Yes.
It's not going to work if it's just the kid is sent to like a class of meditation or a class on compassion. 3-hour workshop class on compassion, and then there's no compassion at home. It will be tough for the kid to learn.
Yeah.